Alright, welcome to the Roll 'em High usage video. In this I'm going to go over the features as well as how to use it just a bit. So, the basic usage of it is I have this nice handy base and I have this bag of things. What's going to happen is it's going to shuffle these things and it's going to pick 10 of them. It's going to place them in somewhere on top of this base, and then it's going to let physics do the rest in order to randomize where they land. When it's done, it's done. And you might want to pick things up and put them down and what have you, but you get the gist of it. So there's some invisible walls that get created when you click the button. Then it does the physics explosion, and then the walls are gone. It removes the walls after we're done. There's also a cap on top that does the same thing. I've hidden the walls and the cap by setting the alpha to 0. And you can do the same kind of thing. Let me show you a possible usage of this. So let's say I've got my board here. Let's go with a checkers board. Why not? I'm going to disable snap on this, and I'm going to pull this over the top. Let me get my third person perspective to get this as close as, well, I want it in the middle, don't I? So that I can scale it and get it as close as I can here. Say, you probably want it as close to the edge as you can without going over. And if it's a little off, it probably doesn't matter for most use cases. I'm going to lock this. The board is already locked. That's neat. Right, I forgot TTS does that. And now I'm going to set the color tint to 0 so the player doesn't see it. And click roll 'em. I don't know why that happened. But at least TTS is kind enough to give me the bag back. Thank you. And you can get the idea of how this might go. If you have some sort of have the player grab a random amount of items in their hands and throw them onto the board, this gets that going. It also works. Let me go ahead and pull this back into the default state, regardless of what the size of this is. So you saw that with the checkerboard, but what happens when I get, super crazy with the size and make it so that it's not proportional anymore? Oh no. Well, good news. It's okay with that too. All right, if you have any questions or suggestions, as always, let me know. I'm all ears.